Hello everyone, it's Patty. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing something a little different. If you follow me on Instagram or here on my accounts, you know that I love to change the large size sticker planners from Simply Gilded into B6 traveler notebooks, and these are the ones that I've been doing for a while. But a friend from Instagram, Kim from Willing Girl 2, she asked me if I could try to do the same with one of the small sticker albums, which I have a lot of them, but I've never tried it. And so I thought, why not? Because I wanted to do something really cute for the fall, and I got this beautiful one from recently from Irene's shop, and this size actually fits perfectly a pocket size, not a pocket size, apologies, it fits a passport size traveler notebook. And so I thought I would use this for my kind of like journaling, not journaling, but more like sketching or painting, etc. So I'll show you what it looks like inside. But again, if you are not familiar, this is what this is the regular sticker albums. They have plastic sleeves on the inside. I actually have a video on how to transform the large one into a B60N, but it's basically the same concept. You're just gonna adjust your holes here to just like a smidge under the stitching here. So it's exactly the same method of changing it into a traveler notebook, just a different size. So for this setup, and I completely butchered this beautiful paper pad, but I found this beautiful paper pad. This is available on Amazon. I got mine from michaels.com. This is by I think it's Nina Steiner. I can't read that, but it's called Little Fawn and Friends, and it's the most magical. If you love little critters, if you love fall in the forest, like the woods, the little animals, the foxes, etc. It has the most beautiful, let's see if I can show them to you, images of little fawns and trees in the season. There's several pages. It's really beautiful, thick cardstock. I'm a fan of squirrels, so this one really spoke to me. Squirrels, there's foxes, rabbits, you can even use it in the spring. It is expensive in little hedgehogs, but I'm gonna plan on using this for probably a spring setup, because there's little rabbits and more like sage greens. But again, I've used those papers. I've used all the images here. You can use the packaging in the back here. There's these beautiful designs that you can actually fussy cut around, so I use them all. And then I have used, I'll show you which inserts I use, but of course, if you want to use that as a planner, Annieplans always has printables in the passport size as well. Now here on the side, there are these cute little eyelets with leaves in it. And then opening it up, here it is, and it's just screams fall to me. It's super tiny, first of all, so it's super cute. Here on the side where there is a scallop pocket, I inserted this acetate that I had in my stash from the thePlannerSociety for a very long time. I just cut it down, put some glitter edgers from the thePlannerSociety, which are in all my setups. Then I have a little fox felt little oh my gosh, I can't think of the word, little paper clip that it's also from the thePlannerSociety. I put some little eyelets here in the same theme of kind of the fall. This beautiful color, this is just perfect to me for fall. It's like a mustard, and I wanted to go with this color because it brings out all the browns and it goes with all the greens, and I find sometimes that browns are hard to match, and I like, I thought this color would match with all the different hues of browns. Then the first section, and it's always have 3 sections, it starts with the same acetate that's here, which is from the thePlannerSociety. It has this beautiful wreath with flowers and vines. Then I have added this little bow over here that I had in my stash, and then how adorable is this? I just love this cute little dashboard. And again, the size is very small because this is a passport size, so it's smaller. It's small enough that you can write in, but it's just so adorable. This is one of the little squirrels that was in the cover. of the paper pad. I just fussy cut around them. I fussy cut around this tree stump, and then I layer them like that so that it looks like he's actually sitting there. And then I used the paper from the paper pad, which I layered on some of this cork, and I think the word is cork. I'm sorry, you know how I'm Italian, you guys, and sometimes the words escape me. And then here I have this vellum from Michael's, which I have for a long time. And then I've used this little adorable kind of quote. It says, "In the shadow of the trees." And I found these quotes from a shop in New York, but unfortunately they're sold out right now. But I found an alternative on Amazon. Similar things. These are very inexpensive. Well, I think there was $9.99. There's a ton of them in here. They have tons of black and white, kind of prompts or little journaling notes, and I love to add them to the side of my dashboard because it kind of you can come up with yours. Of course, you don't need to actually get those. If you have a typewriter, if you have a silhouette, you can make those, but I just love to add a little message in the dashboard. And then here I used the glitter edgers from the Planner Society, and this is the inside. This beautiful paper which has squirrels running around. In the back it has cute little nuts with leaves, and this is a plain insert. This is from the Traveler's Factory. I love the paper. This is Tomoe River paper. It's perfect for painting on it or sketching, so that's why I used it. Again, I'm gonna use this more for a crafting purpose than from a planning purpose, just because it's so tiny, but you can actually turn this into a wallet, and I'll show you how. Then in the back here you can see more the paper in all its glory, and look how adorable it is. The cute little squirrels. There's a pocket from Simply Gilded. There's a couple of little mushrooms that I layered from the same paper pad. I have the sampler, which has to be one of my favorite samplers from Irene because it has little squirrels. And then I have this little stickers from the Planner Society, which I use in all my pockets. Then this is the back of the acetate, and I put the word fall, and these letters are from an alphabet sticker sheet from the Planner Society. And then here is my little mini washi dashboard, and it's an assortment of washi from Simply Gilded, the boys from Simply Gilded. This washi with the leaves, I think it was Hobby Lobby, I'm not 100% sure. This one here, it's instead is from Shop Villa Beautiful, and it's adorable. And then here's the second little adorable dashboard. How cute is the little fox? And I put the little fox, she's sleeping, so I cut out this kind of little branch that again was in the front cover of the of the paper pad, and I put the fox, like the fox is sleeping in the bush, and then it said "Dreaming My Dreams." It's just so cute. I love foxes unless they're trying to kill my squirrels outside in my yard, but they're so beautiful. They're just so playful. I just love them. And this is another beautiful paper. I'll show you more in the back, but again, this paper pad, it's everything. It's just these little critters that are so adorable. And in the back it has little very colorful mushrooms. And here I have another insert, always from the Traveler's Notebook Factory. And this one, you can actually extend it. So it comes out, now there's I put the elastic here in the middle, but if you pull it out, it becomes like an insert that you can basically paint different days. Let's say that you want to do journaling for a whole week, you're on vacation, every day you want to do something, you can actually do everything on this, and it's super cute. And then here is the back of the paper. So we have a fox looking up a tree, the little mouse, little rabbit, and this is one of my favorite sticky notes for the fall. It's a little blanket with a cup of coffee and then some little pumpkins, and again it's from Shop Villa Beautiful. Look how cute. I've had this for a long time, and I try to change it from planner to planner when I do something fall related because it's too cute. Then this is the back of the washi dashboard, and here's another acetate that I've had from the Planner Society, and I've cut out the little squirrel up on a branch, and I just glued it here on the top, so that when you look at the dashboard under it, it kind of looks like the squirrel is looking down on the hedgehog, so it creates a little scene. And then again, the same layering with the cork, and then the little hedgehog, it sits on a little tree stump, and then this one says catch a cloud because the little hedgehog is kind of looking up in the sky, daydreaming. And the paper in the back has hedgehogs, while in the back here it has beautiful leaves. This is another blank insert. Now I'm going to switch one of the inserts to the inserts that I have always from the Traveler's Factory, which are the weekly. They're in this size. What I like about them, I actually bought it because I bought a bunch of their notebooks for this year, and I bought the weekly inserts that are dated. So you only have, they're horizontal, so you only have this much to write every day. But Job's Journal was this amazing, super creative, planner guy on YouTube and Instagram. He shared this idea in which you can actually use these kind of small, horizontal little planners to create a little kind of sketching journal. So after the week is done, I'll basically go back to my planner and see things that happen every day. I'll pick one thing that I think kind of is memorable, or I want to, kind of remember. And so I will make a little drawing, a little cartoon, and I'm no artist. I can guarantee you that. This is why I don't share them, because they're terrible, but they're my terrible, and so I like them. But so I'll do a little drawing. I'll use my watercolors, and I'll share them. And so they're kind of cute. It's always also a creative outlet, which kind of I like to wind down the weekend doing that. And this is the back of the paper. It's got another cute little hedgehog, always on these 3D dots, and then I have the back of the acetate with the word love. Now here is where I was telling you earlier that you can actually use this as a wallet, because the wallets you can get on Amazon for your wallet, they fit in here. So this one is one that I wanted to use in here, because in this card holder size I can actually fit this art toolkit let's show you what it is. It's a little mini watercolor little pen that you can change. You can have your own colors. As you can see, I made a mess, but it's super cute and it's very portable, so you can bring it with you anywhere you want. And then on this side, I have instead another little accessory from the Traveler's Factory, and this one is this little adorable pencil case with the color pencils. You got a little eraser here, and you can just get them off by pushing under it. There's just like no space wasted. There's a little sharpener, and they're super cute. I have not used them yet because they're just too pretty, honestly. And then in here, if you wanted to, you could put actually one of those mini water brushes. It fits. I was using on something else, so I forgot to put it back in here. But otherwise, if you want to use if you want to bring a small pen like this XOXO Sport, I added this. I think this is a Heidi Swapp old little pen holder, and I've had it for maybe 7 years. I never used it because the color didn't match anything that I have, but it looks so pretty there. So I just have like a XOXO Sport, which I really like. I love this color, and you can bring it anywhere with you. So if you need to write something, or if you want to journal, or if you want to sketch, or if you want to do some of course it won't go back now, right, dude? You're trying to make me fail. But anyway, I promise it went without any issues before, and now it won't go. Okay, there we go. Just a little fight. But Yeah, so this is really cute to sit there, and it sits there perfectly because basically the passport size is a little short. You know, you have extra room, but having this extra room allows you to have the pen in there, and you're still, you know, with all the thick stuff that I added in there, you're still perfectly fine. And this is a look from the top. And again, if you have any questions on how to change this you know, little sticker album, just to give you a quick you know, idea of how hard it is. This is the sticker album. So basically all you do is you remove, using a pair of pliers, this metal grommets, and then you end up with 2 holes here, which you can cover with your favorite eyelets, and then you can use a hole puncher to just create 3 holes over here, 3 holes on the top, and you can use your favorite elastic band. The one that I use, the gold one, is from Amazon, and you just thread to them. And if there's again, in my video I've shown how to thread these through, but there's several videos on Amazon on how, I mean on YouTube on how to do it. But I hope you liked it, this super quick project, and thank you again to Kim for suggesting this project, because I never thought about doing this. And if you have any question, please send me a DM on Instagram at Planning Fancy. I reply to all DMs, and I hope you have a very beautiful weekend with your loved ones. Bye bye.